Bottle gourd kofta curry recipe. Peel the gourd and wash it well and grate it. Squeeze the water from the gourd well. Now add some spices. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Salt half tablespoon. Cumin seed half tablespoon. Crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Add gram flour 0.3 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste. Half tablespoon. Chopped green chili, coriander leaves, and mix well. Add gram flour 0.2 tablespoons and mix well. Make a small ball and fry it on medium hot oil. Now koftas are fried. Now take them out and keep them aside. Cumin seed, half tablespoon. Add chopped onion and stir it. Add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and stir it until they're translucent. Add tomato paste and stir it. Add salt half tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, red chili powder half tablespoon, and stir to combine. Add dahi 1 cup and mix well. Add 1 cup water and bring it to boil. Add fried kofta. Mix well and cover for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, mix well. Add coriander leaves. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Bottle Gourd Kofta curry is ready. Mix well and dish out. In bowl, enjoy it. Delicious kofta curry. You can eat with roti, rice, or naan. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Shumaila Food Secret.